Welcome back to TurboTrax, your go-to channel for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Toyota Prado, a vehicle that combines rugged off-road capability with the latest in design and performance. We'll be exploring its exterior in depth, from its sleek lines to its robust features, so let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2025 Toyota Prado has undergone a significant evolution, featuring a more muscular, bold front end that's immediately recognizable. The angular headlights are a sharp contrast to the smooth curves of the body, giving it a modern and aggressive stance. A wide hexagonal grille dominates the front, framed by sleek LED lighting that not only enhances its aesthetic but also improves visibility in various conditions. The overall look conveys strength and sophistication. Moving to the side profile, the Prado maintains its iconic SUV proportions, with a long, wide stance that commands attention. The sculpted side panels and sharp lines add a sense of motion, even when the vehicle is at a standstill. The 2025 model sits on large, multi-spoke alloy wheels that not only improve its off-road capability but also add to the overall premium feel. The vehicle's wide wheel arches and flared fenders speak to its rugged nature, giving it the clearance and durability necessary for any adventure. One of the standout exterior features is the Prado's new rear design. The rear tailgate is equipped with a full-width LED light bar that runs across the back, creating a seamless look. The taillights themselves are angular and modern, adding to the aggressive rear profile. A subtle but effective touch is the new rear bumper design, which is tougher and more protective, making it ideal for off-road excursions. Let's not forget about the roofline. The 2025 Prado comes with a slightly elevated roof, offering more headroom and an overall higher ground clearance. This not only adds to its visual presence but also makes the vehicle more capable when navigating challenging terrains. A panoramic sunroof is an available option, allowing for more natural light inside, while giving the vehicle a more airy feel. Under the hood, Toyota has incorporated advanced engineering to make the Prado more powerful than ever. But let's focus on the exterior details. The hood itself has been redesigned with a more sculpted appearance, adding an element of sophistication while maintaining a functional role in the vehicle's aerodynamics. Toyota's engineers have worked hard to ensure that the Prado maintains its solid road presence without sacrificing performance. The 2025 Toyota Prado also features a range of durable exterior materials, from high-strength steel to reinforced bumpers, ensuring the vehicle can handle whatever the road throws at it. The body panels are designed to withstand the roughest conditions, whether it's rocks, mud, or deep water, and it's equipped with advanced underbody protection, perfect for tackling off-road trails. Now, let's talk about the exterior paint options. The 2025 Prado offers a variety of stunning finishes, including bold metallic hues and more refined, classic options. These colors are designed to complement the SUV's rugged yet modern look, giving buyers a range of choices to express their personality while still maintaining the Prado's signature tough appeal. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Prado exterior is a beautiful blend of form and function. It's an SUV that exudes confidence and capability, perfect for both urban roads and off-road adventures. From its aggressive front